Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to set up and turn on relax mode in our modes and routines in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So we need to go to settings, then in modes and routines we have our relax mode. These are default modes, so we need to set them up. Start. Let's say place or time period. We can do whatever. We don't have our navigation enabled, so let's set a time period, sunrise to sunset, or whatever we need to hear. I prefer time, all day, or we can change our timer if we need to, from and to. Done. Our time period is set. We can change it if we need to later. Every day we can change days, we can change months. Next, don't disturb, yes please, why not. Next, and let's say power saving, why not. Next, and now our relax mode is set up and it's now on, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next video. Bye.